guys, I'm April from GettingMyActTogether.com, and thank you for joining me for day 19 of the 30-day decluttering challenge. Getting our houses decluttered before the new year even begins, so yay. And today we are on the bookshelves again. I know I've done one day on these bookshelves already, but if you have a lot of bookshelves, it's going to take more than one 10-minute session to get through them all. So this is the second 10-minute session. And this one's kind of a fun job to me because it's just, books, I don't know, it doesn't feel that extremely complicated, you know. If it's a book that meant a lot to us or that I really want to read again, I'm going to keep it. And if it's a book that I don't think anyone will ever read again, and it's not really a reference that we're going to look something up in, and it's just dead weight and I'm going to let it go. Even if it was good, we can't keep everything we ever liked, right? So you just got to pick what's really meaningful to you. Unfortunately, they're not all my books. Some of these are Alan's, my husband's, some of these are my kids'. And so when I think that someone else might have an attachment to the book, I do check with that person before I clear out the books. Believe me, if I didn't, we'd have way less, because I would have chunked a lot of my husband's books years ago. He's carrying around books from college, from grad school, books he's never read, but they're important to him. So no matter what I think, it's none of my business, because if it's his book and he loves it, this is to keep. So he probably thinks a lot of my books are dumb too, that I fell on. So it's fine, you know, totally fine. So I'm going to go through some books, and yeah, some of them will be ones I want my kids to tell me if they still want to keep or not. And I will have a different stack. So I will stack them by probably, if I think I could get away book, I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to put it in a stack that I'm going to start. When the person gets home who I think might like it, I got to get them right away. I got to get them that day. And then I can decide to put them back on the shelf or expedite it on out of here. So, all right, let's get to work. Bookshelves today, 10 minutes. Okay, I did exactly 10 minutes, and I came up with this whole stack that I can definitely give to Goodwill, because those are my books. So, yay for that. I got a couple that I'm going to ask Alan if he still wants, and then I got a stack for the boys to go through. So, that feels very successful. If you look behind me, you can see that it's more tidy, and then I was able to bring some from down there up to there, because I'll show you why. And I can tell I didn't get to that section. That's going to take another 10-minute session. But down here, you see that giant shelf and that empty space, and it was just chaos. Just books piled on top of each other. Chaos. And I've been wanting to get into that for a while. What happened is that's two shelves together, because when we moved in, we didn't have little hookies to put the last shelf in. So we just... and it's kind of a wreck. So I really want to fix that. So that's on my list of things to do, and that will be awesome. So I feel really good about what I've accomplished here. So you can feel good about these little small wins, these little 10-minute things in the middle of a busy season. I'm going to spend the rest of the day wrapping presents, and I'm about to die of heat. I'm trying to wear a sweater. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a good time with the Clutter Challenge, and I'll see you back tomorrow for day 20.